Alright, let's get real about the ZEBRONICS Zeb-Starlit 70W party speaker. A lot of people have been asking, is this thing a scam, or is it actually a legit budget party machine? Let's break it down, fast. First off, ZEBRONICS is no random pop-up. They've been around since 1997, so you're not getting some fly-by-night knockoff here. The Starlit packs a punch for its price. 70 watts of output, dual 16.5cm drivers, a dedicated tweeter. So yeah, it's got the thump most of us want when we're blasting music at home or throwing a small get-together. The RGB LED lights, super vibrant. It definitely brings the party vibe to your living room. Now, here's the honest part, battery life. ZEBRONICS says you'll get up to 6 hours if you keep the volume at 50% and turn those lights off. But real users on Flipkart are saying, don't bet on it. Battery tends to die faster, especially if you're cranking it up or using all the features. Portability? It's technically portable, but we're talking big and heavy. Easy to carry around your house, yes. Haul it to the beach or a picnic? Not so much. But, if you want features, it's loaded. Bluetooth 5.3, USB, micro SD, FM radio, AUX input, and even a wireless microphone for karaoke. Plus, you can pair 2 of these for surround sound. Here's my quick verdict. If you want loud, fun, and feature-heavy on a budget for home use, this is a great buy. But if you need something truly portable with all-day battery for outdoor adventures, you'll probably want to keep looking. So, no, it's definitely not a scam. But like every budget buy, you get what you pay for. And for house parties, karaoke, or chilling with friends, the Zeb-Starlit delivers. Just be ready to find a wall socket if you're partying all night.